So today what I want to do is talk about salvaging your own projects, your own farm, and your own home. During SHTF, you may not have any inputs as far as materials, equipment, or tools to work with. One of the things you can do is salvage firewood, mulch, and so forth from projects you do around the farm and the home. When you're looking at salvage opportunity, a lot of times mulch, chips, bark from trees can be salvaged from your own farm, homestead, or from side jobs you're doing, or when you're helping neighbors out with their leaves, trees, or whatever. Always take the opportunity to use whatever mulch, chips, and bark you can find. Another salvage opportunity is recycling flower pots, planter pots. A lot of times these are available for no cost because people throw them away. They'll go buy a whole bunch of plants and then they'll throw the containers away when they plant them. You can use these for both inside and outside gardening. It's another salvage opportunity. Another example of a salvage opportunity. This is a planter tray. They were left in a ditch. I picked them up. So I can use these to start hundreds of plants. Opportunities to salvage building material will be critical. As more and more inflation sets in, building material will be incredibly expensive. Anything that you can do to get free building material, to haul it off, or buy it at reduced cost, that is an opportunity. Salvaging fencing material, including T-posts and wide posts, wooden posts, or wire, that is easy money in the bank. The other thing is landscaping blocks. You can use these to do landscaping walls, retaining walls, or to build fortifications on your homestead. Keep in mind, a lot of this stuff you can just pick up and haul away. Please comment, rate, subscribe, share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.